Hey everyone, Gerald here again. We're back in the property here. As you can see behind me, we've already did most of all the drywall. So I'm gonna walk through and show you some things that we gotta correct and some other things that we're waiting on sub to get here and do, okay? So make sure you subscribe, like, and add a comment. Tell me, what do you think of the drywall? Or have you seen the new drywall they use, where it's actually not sheetrock, but it's actually a wall board that you can screw on. But anyway, let's get to it. Watch this. So as you can see here, they actually worked over the holidays. So they actually went ahead and mudded up and taped off the joints. So we got to finish mudding the rest. But there are some things in here that we got to correct. Ran into an issue here with the plumbing here, where the plumber has to correct something here because there's no vent for that drain. But now we got to correct that, because he was trying to vent it somewhere else. There was actually a vent inside this wall right here, but he was trying to vent it outside, and I told him, I said, well, shouldn't we be able to vent up under the sink? For those of you, you go in your kitchen, you normally, sometimes you'll see a little vent. It's like a little screw-on venter, mini vent that you can put on there to vent out the house. But had to bring over the generator because my drywall guy didn't have his generator. So as you can see, there's a lot of screws in this wall. Thing I want to show you, look at this mini closet. This is what the homeowner had. So I didn't really do any modifications as far as changing the layout. We tried to keep everything as it was. So, but you see here we have some green board left here, but it's actually purple, but same thing, mold resistant drywall. We have that left there. So I got to find out what is it that he need. And as you see, we still have these old windows. So now we're going to walk in through. Like I said, this house has a pretty funny layout. As you can see in here, he didn't finish that part there, that drywall. We got to get some more items for the wall, but that's the bathroom there. And I did notice that the can lighting up here, they did not pull the wire through. So hopefully my electrician remembers where all this can lighting. And another thing they did not do, if you look here, because this is going to be blown insulation. So there's an attic access that's supposed to be right here in this walkthrough. And there is an attic access that's supposed to be here into this utility room right here. So, but this the bathroom, just the layout and everything. And there's no lighting in here, so it's pretty dark. But as you can see, they did not finish the drywall in here either. So we're gonna have to get that, and I'm waiting on him to get back with me. I need to find out when he's gonna be back here, and I have everything ready for him. But this is where we are. Gerald here again with OVD. We're at the burn house. We're moving right along. So if you get a chance, check out CleanScope.tools. It'll help you do your scopes for all properties like this. So hit the like, subscribe, share, hype up, and give me a comment. You all take care. You be blessed. Look forward to seeing you next time. All right. Bye.